Everything that we do with the computer is going to involve moving a pointer around on the screen, pointing and clicking. Here we have an example of two mice. One is with a wire and one is wireless. If you have a laptop computer, you may be using the touchpad on the front of the computer. You put your finger on and you can move the pointer around on the screen with the touchpad, and there is a left click and a right click button in front of the touchpad. I do recommend that you buy a mouse from the shops. It makes it much easier to use the computer. The wired mice come in at around £5 to £10 and a wireless mouse normally between £10 and £15. The wired mouse, it's got a USB plug at the other end of it, and you put the USB plug into a USB port on your computer. Every laptop or desktop computer will have them. Simply put the USB plug in and take it out when you're finished. The wireless mouse, on the other hand, has no wires. It has what's called a USB dongle underneath it, which you can take out of the mouse, and then you put the USB dongle into a USB port on your computer, and this allows the mouse to communicate with the computer wirelessly. So put the USB dongle into the USB port and you leave it in there for the duration of using your computer with your mouse. Every mouse has a left click button and a right click button and a scroll wheel in the middle. We're mainly concerned with left clicking and right clicking for now. One left click, double left click, one right click, scroll wheel in the middle.